Okay, students. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, in this great morning, what do you feel today? Are you feeling good, or you feeling boring, or you feel not excited?
I'm feeling
I'm feeling
excited.
good, miss.
You're
I'm
feeling
feeling
good.
good but hungry, miss.
Hungry? Have you ever breakfast?
No, I have
No.
not.
Okay. Take breakfast when we break time. Alright. So we're gonna have a lesson today. But before we start our lesson today, we must what, students?
Pray.
Yes. Good job, Asmi. Pray. Who wants to lead the pray?
Finish.
Yes, me.
Okay, friends, let's pray. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Asmi.
Yes,
So, I will check your attendance first, right? Widya Nur Aziza Yusmi,
Present, miss.
Nurul Asmi,
Present, miss.
Ahmad Zaki Salam.
Present, miss.
Okay, because you all here today. Okay, before we start our material, let's do some do again.
Yay!
So in this game, what we gonna do? So we gonna do. Okay, look at Miss, and then if Miss, we gonna do a game. Morning, afternoon, and night applause, right? Okay. So the instruction. If Miss says morning, you clap one. If Miss say afternoon, you clap twice. If Miss say night, you don't clap. Okay?
Okay, miss.
Okay, let's start. Night. Morning. Morning. Afternoon. Okay, good job. Okay, students. Do you know what is this? Say it in English. What is the room?
It's a library.
This is
A library. Library.
And what is this?
Laboratorium.
Laboratory. And then what is this?
Yard. Field.
Yes,
It's a yard
field. And what is this?
Classroom.
Yes, this is classroom. Okay, good job. Okay, so because you have already said in English about the room, today we're gonna learn about the describing things at school and the room. Okay, so this is the learning objective. Okay, first, through watching and taking notes on YouTube videos, students can correctly identify at least 5 or 7 vocabulary words about space and objective in school. And then the second, through the hidden object game, the students can construct 2 or 3 simple sentences to describe the presence of objects using the there is and there or there are pattern. So in your activity you watch the YouTube video and you take a note 5 of 7 vocabulary, and we're gonna do some game.
Okay.
Okay, so let's watch this video. Okay, and don't forget to take notes. Okay, this is the LKPD. First, you write your name and class, and then you open. So you write in this.
Okay, miss.
Okay, you understand?
Yes, miss.
You don't have find it difficult?
No, miss.
No. Hold the pen. Okay.
PE class in the gym. Gym.
Yeah.
We have art class in the art room. Art room. Art room.
Yes, mommy.
We have music class in the music room. Music room. Music room.
First is school. Say it in English.
School.
What is the meaning of school?
Sekolah.
Yeah, good job, students. And then the second is school bus.
School bus.
What is the meaning of the school bus?
Bis sekolah.
Many classrooms. Wow. School.
My class.
School.
Oh.
We have PE class in the gym. Gym. Gym.
Gym.
We have art class in the art room.
Yeah.
Art room.
Art
Art room. We have music class in the music room.
Music classroom. Music room.
Music room. We have science class in the science room.
Science
Science room.
Science room.
Science room.
Science room.
When you feel sick, you can rest in the nurse's office. Nurse's office. Nurse's office.
Alright, students. Let's know. Okay, we gonna learn about there is and there are. But what is the function? For what is this? Okay, there is used for one object or singular. For example, there is a cat. Why this cat is used there is because this is the and N for one object. So because there is for one object. Yes, because it's singular. For there are is used for more than one object or plural. Why? Because we see, for example, there are two cards. So we're use there are because two cards. Okay. So do you understand, students?
Yes,
Okay. There is for what?
I
There is
Singular.
for one singular. There are for two or plural. More than two objects. Okay. So look at your paper or worksheet. You do some games. So you work in pairs, and then you partner A, for example, Vidya and Asmi. Okay, Vidya, you hide the things. You hide the things in your table, and then you ask me, gonna guess what things Vidya hide. Alright, you find it. Okay, for example, what did you hide, and you looking for it. Alright.
Oh my God.
Do you understand?
Yes,
Or you have a question? Okay, and ask me. You will write what Vidya.
Hi.
Yeah.
Okay. Sabar.
Alright.
Okay. I have.
Close eyes.
Yes, you close your eyes and then Vidya.
Have you Vidya?
Yes, I already.
I think there is a pen.
Correct. Alright.
Yay!
So you write it. Pen. Okay. So
So the description?
for descriptive, you describe this.
Oh,
thing.
it is black
This blade and
and short.
short. Alright.
Okay, Miss.
Okay.
Okay. Have done.
Done.
I think you hide a book.
Wrong.
Um,
And thought.
What is? I think you had a marker.
Yes. Correct.
Yay! Show it.
How much marker do I have?
I think it is one.
Correct.
There is a marker.
Yay.
Yay!
So you describe this marker.
The marker is red.
Yeah, the marker is red.
Red. Oh, no, miss. The marker,
There is marker. The marker
There is
is
one marker.
red.
oh yeah, there is a marker. So
The marker is red.
the marker is red. Yes, miss. That's all.
Then
Close
this
my eyes.
Okay then.
Dad, I pay you. Open. I think you hide book.
Book? What book?
Book is notebook.
Notebook. Yes.
Oh my god! I'm
Right.
So you
Notebook.
Notebook. Can I show?
Yeah, please show.
Yeah,
Yes,
this
yes.
is.
So the
Oh my
notebook
God.
is blue.
There is
There is a
notebook.
notebook.
There is notebook. The notebook is
Notebook is blue.
Yeah.
Yay!
Good job. Okay, you too.
Me?
What do you want to buy?
Is it pen?
Yes, it is pen.
So.
Yes, this is pen.
Okay.
Right.
There is
So there is a pen.
pen.
Black pen.
Yeah. The pen is
Black.
black. Okay, good job. Okay. Okay. So, students, we have study about the vocabulary. You still remember what is the vocabulary?
Yes.
You?
Yes.
What is this?
Science
Oh.
room.
School, art room, music room, gym, school bus.
Okay, give applause to Giant. Give circle applause. Okay, what about Asmi?
James. Science room.
Science room.
Music room.
Music room.
Cars.
Cars.
Basketball. Art room. So that's all.
Okay, give good job for Asmi. Good
Good
job.
job. Yay.
Okay, what about Bizaki?
There is school, basketball, art room, nursery, canteen. Yeah, that's all.
Okay, give good job for Zaki. Good, good job.
Good job.
Okay, so we have learned about the use of there is and there are. There is for one subject. If a subject just have one, for example, I have one cat, and then I have a cat. We use for plural. Okay. For there are we use for there are for we
Plural.
use for two or
cats.
more
Object.
two or more objects. So for example, I have two cats.
There
Okay.
are two cats.
So do you still remember what is there is?
Yes.
What is?
There is used for one object or singular.
Okay, what about you?
Yes.
There is for
There is for one object and or singular.
singular. And you?
There is used for one object and this is singular.
Okay, good job for all of us. Yay! And then what about when they are?
There are issues for two or more objects or plural objects.
Okay, what about you?
There are used for plural or
objects and nice plural.
Okay, good job for all of us. Yay! Big applause for you guys. Thank you for your participation. So, ma'am want to ask you, what have you learned today on this material?
We learn about there is and there are miss.
Okay, what about you?
Yes, Miss. Me too. I learned about there is. It's used for singular, one object, and there are. It is for plural, two or more objects.
Okay, what about Wizaki?
I learned many vocabulary rooms in school.
Alright, give applause for all of us. Yay! Good job. You answered it well, and then you can understand my materials. So, you find the difficult of this material? No? Have you find difficult? No, it is easy, right?
Yes,
Okay. And then in the next material, we will learn about introducing yourself. So introduce yourself. So you're gonna talk with each other and introduce of yourself. Okay. Okay. Who wants? Before we close our material, I just want to say thank you for your here in this class, and pay attention for the material. I hope you can use the lesson for your daily activity. All right. Okay, students. Before we close our material, wants to lead the prayer.
Miss.
Okay, ask me.
Okay, friends, let's start praying. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Asmi, and thank you, guys.
Yes,
Don't give up for us. Learn because learn is easy and fun. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, thank you for
Miss.
attention.
Thank you,
Sampai
Miss.